everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. Guys, I am home. I am on the beautiful island of Jamaica. So nice to be home. It's a good feeling. However, I would love to share with you guys my beautiful flowers garden. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I will showcase my potted plants. These plants, I keep them inside right here on the patio. There goes another one. This one is so beautiful. Oh my God, this lily, it smells so nice at night. As a matter of fact, it smells nice all the time. It gives off a fragrance that is so cool and so beautiful. These are my bougainvilleas. I will insert a before picture, like when I just came here to see the looks of it. Now I do a little gardening on it, a little bit of housekeeping with it, so I trim it up a little bit, and I know it will give me nice bloom like further down in the Easter. This one also I trim it. This one, guys, oh my God, so beautiful. Love it. Love it. This one is coming. So it's the same relative like this lavender one here. This is purple, so nice. This one is giving like 3 different color on the one plant. Sometimes it even gives you a brownish look, like right here, and pink, white, peachish. This one also, the one plant have different colors on it. So beautiful. Love it. These are my bananas. So a young one is putting out right there. As you can see, these are all my Crotons. A young banana plant. This one already bare and feasted already. This is the breadfruit tree, and it was ripped up, guys, in the hurricane, but it's making its way back to life. That's my garden. Beautiful. The mango tree putting out so much blossom right now. Gonna be a lot of mangoes. I can see that. More banana. Young banana right there. This one, soon it will start ripening. These are all my Crotons. This is a red one. So beautiful. More bananas. This plant here, it's very pretty. Smells nice too, but I plant it on the outside. This one was a palm, but it's not alive anymore. Like this one was crying for me while I was away. So I think it's dying or it's dead. I don't know. But it's no more. Coconut just over there. This one lost a few leaves by the goat. The gate opened and the goat just came in and nipped a few pieces. And then this one, is still beautiful. Still beautiful. Looking so nice, guys. Love it. So guys, this is where I call home, on the beautiful island of Jamaica. Love it, love it, love it. I love my plants. I pay special attention to these plants, and likewise, I spend a lot on them. Love them. Guys, thanks for watching. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.